Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add text on Lightworks? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Lightworks app on your laptop device. Once you open the app, now select the project and click on open. After you click on open, now choose the VFX over here. Tap on it. After you tap on it, now click on favorites and choose text. Now select the components according to your preference. For example, I am going to add this one. To add this component on your Lightworks, just simply drag it down to the timeline. Now look at the right side of your screen. Just select all this text and remove. Now write down the text according to your preference. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add text on Lightworks app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.